Redox reaction. Redox is a term which is being used for the oxidation and reduction reaction. So, redox reaction are those reactions in which oxidation and reduction will take place simultaneously, and hence it is a type of chemical reaction in which the oxidation state of atoms are being changed. So we could say an oxidation reduction reaction is any chemical reaction in which the oxidation number of a molecule, atom or ions will change by gaining or losing an electron. So overall, when we say redox, it is a reaction where oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. So now that we say redox reaction is a reaction in which oxidation and reduction is taking place simultaneously, so we should understand what is oxidation and what is reduction individually. So when we talk about oxidation, it is a chemical process in which a substance will either gain oxygen or it may lose hydrogen or it may also lose electrons. So any of these cases, whether it is gaining an oxygen or it is losing an electron or there may be a loss of hydrogen, all that we call it as a oxidation. So if we simplify, oxidation is gain of oxygen or oxidation is the loss of electrons during a reaction by a molecule, atom or ion. So for example, if we take when iron combines with oxygen to form iron oxide, or in simple we call that as rust, the chemical reaction is iron. When it is reacting with oxygen, it gives us iron oxide. Hence we could say that rust or the iron oxide is the one which is gaining oxygen or in which oxygen is being added. Hence we could say that iron has undergone oxidation. And the next term is reduction. Reduction is a chemical reaction which is going to involve the gaining of electrons by one of the atom which is involved in the reaction between two chemicals. So we could say reduction will actually involve a half reaction in which a chemical species will decrease its oxidation number, and that happens generally by gaining electrons. So reduction can be said as any class of a chemical reaction in which the number of electrons will be associated with an atom or a group of atom is increased. So if we say for an example that reduction is when iron is reacting with oxygen forming iron oxide, which we all call it as rust, in that iron is being oxidized and the oxygen is being reduced. So we could say oxygen has undergone reduction. So overall we could say here, when we learn about oxidation and reduction, we should understand two terms: what is oxidizing agent and what is reducing agent. So oxidizing agent is a reactant that will remove electrons from other reactant when a redox reaction is taking place. So an oxidizing agent, or we also call it as an oxidant or an oxidizer, it is a substance that has the ability or tendency to oxidize other substance. So in simple, oxidizing agent is called an electron acceptor. Whichever is an electron acceptor, it may be considered as an oxidizing agent. And the second one is reducing agent. Reducing agent is an element or compound that will lose an electron to an electron recipient in a redox chemical reaction. So, if we simplify reducing agent, we can call it as an electron donor. So, a reducing agent is thus oxidized when it is losing electron in the redox reaction. So, a reducing agent is actually one of the reactant of an oxidation reduction reaction which will reduce the other reactant by giving out electrons to the reactant. So that we call it as a reducing agent. So now overall if we see for an example of a redox reaction, we say if Fe2O3 plus 3CO is being, the product formed is 2Fe plus 3CO. So if we look at this reaction, Fe2O3 has undergone reduction, that is by losing oxygen, and CO has undergone oxidation because it has gained oxygen. So in this reaction, oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Hence, we call this particular reaction as a redox reaction because one of the reactant is being reduced and the other reactant is being oxidized. So, we could say that this can be an example of an redox reaction.